The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security. A freight train has lost its brakes, and is heading for Camden. In 15 minutes, the train will be derailed at Chester Falls. Stay tuned for further updates. Regular programming will resume now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of Redmond Disposal Systems. The Disposal Systems has reported a hazmat cargo on the train. This includes a Ukrainian-made nuclear weapon, and hazardous liquids, gases, and solids. Many of them react violently in contact with water. Do not panic. This has not yet been confirmed. Broadcasting has been discontinued until further notice. Stay tuned for further updates. A United States Marshal Sean Duncan is attempting to dispose 3940's locomotives to stop the runaway. 3940's locomotives to stop the train. Stay tuned for further updates. The helper locomotives have derailed, and 2 men have died after the train hit a broken switch connecting to the main line. Stay tuned for further updates. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Railway Control Station in Camden. A hazmat cargo has been confirmed on the runaway train, and has been classified as the atomic fallout. Take a battery-powered radio, and tune to 780 FM or 1480 FM on your radio for more details. Stay tuned for updates on your radio as the situation develops. Another attempt by Sean Duncan is being made. His plan is if he can shut down the electrical system, the train will come to a complete stop, disabling the locomotives. Stay tuned for updates on your radio dial as the situation develops. Emergency update: the train's brakes have launched unsuccessfully as the train slowly picks up speed. Stay tuned for updates as the situation develops. Freight 1330, ignoring a slow down signal from the RCS, has rammed into the atomic fallout, derailing the geometry car off the tracks and setting it on fire. The train's brakes have failed as the train reaches speeds of 140 mph. The train is surely set to be derailed at Cherry Hill in 20 minutes. Evacuate Camden or head to a fallout shelter now. The train has fully derailed in Cherry Hill. Repeating, residents are to evacuate to the states that surround New Jersey. Fires aren't near the bomb, but an explosion could detonate it at any time. Stay tuned for updates as the situation develops. The Nest crew has evacuated the crash site due to volatile explosions. Repeating again, residents are to evacuate to a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Any exposure to the elements will result in certain death. Stay tuned for updates as the situation develops. An ATF agent has volunteered to disarm the nuclear bomb at the crash site. The chances of a blast occurring is still life-threateningly high. Stay tuned for further updates on your radio dial as the situation develops. The ATF agency has evacuated the crash site due to nitric acid spills. Repeating again. Fallout shelters are immediate for anyone and everyone. Residents will not be able to call 911 on their landlines. If you cannot find shelter, the National Guard will lead you to one. Repeating, the weapon will detonate in 1 minute and 13 seconds. This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. The nuclear bomb in Camden has detonated due to time shortage and calcium carbide coming in contact with water, causing the fire to set of the bomb. An electromagnetic pulse will shut down and immobilize anything electronical. Message will continue in 15 minutes. If Washington and Camden are getting this message, the following must be taken for caution. Cautiously inspect vehicles for any fryment of the circuits. Use only the following vehicles to get you home: old cars, walking quickly, FM radios, and bicycles will help you the navigation of fallout. Head to a fallout shelter before the fallout reaches you.